Hello friends, today I will tell you how to download and install Turbo C++ for Windows 7. First we will write in the Google search bar like download Turbo C++. Here various links are provided, but I will use the first link that is provided by Developer Insider. Here is written that download Turbo C++ for Windows 7, 8, 8.110 or Windows 11, 32 to 64 bit. Here the link is provided. We will click on this button, download Turbo C++. Downloading is started. Here Turbo Z file is being downloaded. Now I will click on this arrow, show in folder. Here is the zip file Turbo C32. Now I will right click on it, extract all, extract. This is the Windows installer. Double click on it, then run. Click on next button, then again click on next button. Now again click on next button, then click on install button. Now click on finish button. Turbo C++ is downloaded as well as installed in our computer. Now in the win- now in the search bar, I will write Turbo. Here is Turbo C++. Click on it. Click on here Start Turbo C++. Save it. I am here developing a simple Hello Friends program to show how to develop and run a program in the Turbo C++. Here the program name is first underscore program. Then okay. stdio.h, conio.h, both are the header files. Void main, clear screen, printf. Hello friends. We will compile it with Alt F9, or you can also use the compile option of the menu bar. I am using Alt F9. Here the message shown that there are no warning and no error. Now you can run it either by pressing Ctrl and F9 key from the keyboard, or you can also use the run option. Here the message shown, hello friends. Hope This will help you in downloading, installing, and running the Turbo C++ and C programs. Thank you.